Welcome to Cook Step by Step. In this video, we are making a white cod, pollock, and papillote. First up, I'm gonna put some salt in my zucchini, which I already chopped up. I want it to release all the excess water liquid in it. So here's my pollock. It goes well with so many dishes. I also got some dill, and my zucchini is on standby. Black pepper and curry powder. First up, putting some salt on it and then gently rubbing it in. These fillets are very thin, so I do not need a lot of salt. Flipping it over and repeat. First salt and then gently rubbing it in. I got a piece of baking sheet. It's about a foot long on each side, and I will make a bed out of the zucchinis. On top of this bed, I will place the fish. So I'm trying to put the medium sized on the bottom and the big ones on the middle, because I will fold in the sides and I do not want the big ones to be in the way. Grab the corners of the baking sheet and gently squeeze them and fold them in. First, I'm just molding in it to see where to place the fish and twisting it, so making a boat basically. And here I will place the fish right in the middle on top of the zucchini. Fold it in again. Now I will add the freshly grounded black pepper on it. Twist it so you can see it better. And the curry powder. If you like more, you can add more. I just added a tiny bit, not too much. And on the sides, I will stick in the dill. And this will cook very nicely and release a lot of flavor. So just tuck them in on the side and just sprinkle over with some olive oil. Now fold them in a little bit more and we're ready to bake. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 to 25 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fish. When you get it out, be very careful because it will steam. This food is perfect for lunch or dinner. And for last step, I'm gonna add some eel sauce, which is very similar to sushi sauce. Pollock and papillote is done. It's not only delicious, but very impressive. Bon appetit!